The spotted leopard, also known as the African leopard, is a large and powerful wild cat that is native to Africa. They are known for their distinctive spotted coats, which help them blend into their surroundings and ambush their prey. African leopards are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain and are not naturally preyed upon by other animals. They are solitary animals and are primarily active at night, using their keen senses of hearing and vision to hunt a variety of prey, including small mammals, birds, and reptiles. African leopards are known for their strength and agility, making them one of the most successful hunters in the animal kingdom. However, due to habitat loss and hunting for their fur, the African leopard is considered a vulnerable species by the IUCN Red List. The crocodile is a formidable predator known for its brutal tactics when hunting its prey. As a zebra crosses a river, the crocodile lies in wait, stalking its prey with silent precision. With lightning speed, the crocodile pounces, lunging at the unsuspecting zebra and clamping down on its body with its powerful jaws. The ferocity of the attack is breathtaking, as the crocodile's sharp teeth tear into the flesh of the zebra. The zebra struggles in vain to break free, but the grip of the crocodile is too strong. The violence of the attack is a testament to the merciless nature of the crocodile and its unwavering determination to satisfy its hunger. This hunting technique is a reminder of the brutal realities of life in the animal kingdom and the constant struggle for survival. In the still of the night, a leopard showed remarkable courage as it approached a crocodile and snatched a piece of meat right out of its mouth. This bold act was driven by the leopard's hunger and its determination to satisfy that hunger at all costs. Despite the danger posed by the crocodile, the leopard did not hesitate and demonstrated its strength and agility as it made the daring move. The quick and precise action of the leopard was a testament to its survival instincts and its fearlessness in the face of danger. It was a true display of courage that left onlookers in awe of the power and grace of this magnificent animal.
كذلك نشاهد جيدا هذا الفهد يشرب وفي غفلة منه يمسكه التمساح من رأسه ثم يجره نحو المياه ليغرقه. لا تنسى الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل خاصية الجرس ليوصلك كل جديد.